Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making the TV discoverable and ready. First, confirm the model supports voice assistant and update firmware. This prevents glitches. Then connect the TV to your Wi-Fi and ensure the remote microphone or external mic has power, because weak batteries drop recognition accuracy. Once done, go to Settings General right arrow Voice and enable voice recognition, picking Bixby or another assistant, so the TV knows which voice engine to use. Now you configure and train the assistant so commands work reliably. Open voice settings to set language, choose the voice model, and adjust privacy options. This defines how the assistant interprets speech and stores data. Next, run the voice training routine and repeat the sample phrases. Speak naturally, at normal volume, because training improves accuracy. Make sure to link streaming accounts and app permissions so you can say commands to open apps, play shows, or control playback without extra steps. Finish by practicing key commands and learning activation habits so the assistant feels natural. Try commands like Open Netflix, Play Next Episode, or Set Volumeto 15. Short phrases reduce misinterpretation. Use either the wake word or the remote's voice button for more reliable activation, and make sure you speak facing the mic. If things go wrong, restart the TV, retrain the voice model, or reset voice settings. This often clears recognition errors and restores normal function quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.